There are so many less fortunate than me who will never be able to see a shirt like this. I mean, having a detachable front panel to see my manly chest hair, priceless.
These are my favourite pants. I find that the higher my pants sit, the more I smile.
I look forward to St. Patrick's Day every year so I can wear my limited edition Paddy polyester suit. It sends the ladies wild, especially when they notice the fob chain button detail on my waistcoat. Imagine if you couldn't even see it. Give now so that others can see. When we entered this year's So You Think You Can Line Dance competition, we never thought we'd be the winning couple.
The judges told us that it was our outfits that pushed us off into first place. Imagine if we never saw these at all.
Hello, it's Kevin here. Make sure you give some money to Fred Hollows. Go on, you know you want to. I salute you.